and welcome to the IT and Business unboxing review of the Lenovo E14 Gen 2 14-inch laptop. Today we will be looking at the Lenovo E14 Gen 2 laptop. This is a very powerful and capable laptop for such a small size. Begin by unboxing the laptop. First thing we have on the left hand side is the power adapter. This is a 65 watt USB-C charger. Next is the cable for the plug. This is a UK 3-pin cable. Also have the user manual and instructions. We'll put that to the side for the moment. And finally, we have the laptop. Get out. Okay. Just it's there. Open. So first thing we'll notice is when we open the laptop up, there is a protective cover inside. We shall remove this, and there we have it, the Lenovo E14 Gen 2 14-inch. Now, once the laptop is open, along the top we have the webcam, the microphone, and the infrared webcam is also. There's also a slider just at the top for the webcam, which you can slide the cloth across, and that will block the view for privacy mode. We also have the on button located on the right hand side. This is also the fingerprint sensor for the laptop, and we have the standard UK QWERTY keyboard. We also have the Lenovo trackpad and track point, which is very common in Lenovo machines. This is a Ryzen 7 4700U 2 GHz processor. This laptop also has 16GB inbuilt memory RAM. There's a 512GB SSD NVMe drive, integrated Radeon graphics card, and it is a 14-inch IPS 1920 by 1080 Full HD screen. Now, this laptop itself comes preloaded with Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and you also have the extra peripherals which you usually get, such as wireless, Bluetooth, and as mentioned, the integrated fingerprint sensor. Now, on the left of the machine, which you can see there, we have the USB-C port for charging, a USB 3.2 always on port, a standard HDMI port, and a 3.5mm jack for audio. On the right hand side of the laptop, we have a standard USB 2.0 port. There is an Ethernet port and also the security lock. There are no connections at the back, and once opened, see again there, it is a very small and powerful laptop. This laptop is ideal for both personal and business use. The E14 is also quite compact and lightweight, making it ideal for travel. The 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD offer great performance. The powerful 8-core Ryzen 7 processor, along with the Radeon graphics card, ensures the laptop can handle numerous tasks and meets today's demanding business requirements. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to get in contact with us. Take care. Thank you.